In this video guys, I'll be showing you guys the basic components of security camera. Also at the same time guys, I'll be showing you guys a simple setup I've set so far so that you have an insight on how the whole connection works. So as I plan to start this in-depth tutorial on how to install security camera guys, so I want to start from the basic components on how the whole thing works, the connectivity and the whole thing before I jump into the full tutorial. So guys, without much further ado, let's jump right in. So guys, as you can see, all right there are the basic components of security camera installation, otherwise called CCTV. And right here also, I have done a simple setup so that I will show you guys how the whole connectivity system works. You can see, right? So all here are the items I bought. So if you're planning to install camera in your house, so here are the basic items you must buy. Look at, so you can see here is also a brief summary on how you can connect this. Look, so here are the basic components. You can see right here I have two cameras. Now let's start with cameras. You can see I have two cameras right here. This very camera here is called the indoor camera. Here is the indoor camera where you can mount in your house or in your parlor, in your room, the indoor camera. And this camera you can also call it dome camera. Look, okay. So this very camera here is the outdoor camera. This one you mount it outside, either at the compound or outside the compound. And this camera, you can also call it bullet camera. So all these cameras are analog cameras that use DVR. So here is how the camera look at. You can see. So right here are called BNC connectors. So if you are planning to install cameras, you must get this. So there are two types of BNC connectors. These ones here are wired BNC connectors, while the other types are wireless BNC connectors. So for these BNC connectors, these ones are video cables, while these ones are power cable, where you connect to the extension cable, then down to the power box. So here are BNC connectors. So you must buy this. So in my full video on how to install cameras, you will know all this. But here are the basic components you must buy or you must get. So right here is the power box. Let me on it. Right here is the power box. You can see this power box is what supplies power to the camera. So you must buy this. If not, if you don't buy this and you plug your camera straight to light, your cameras can get blown off. So this power box here is like a regulator that regulates the amount of voltage or power that goes into your cameras to protect them from being blown off. You can see, right? So right here is an extension cable. You must get this cable so that you can extend it to install camera either in your room, your parlor, or outside. So this is an extension cable, and this cable here is a double cable. Now let me show you. So this cable here, you can see that it is a double cable. Look at, here is one cable, while here is another cable. So look at them here. So now, as being a double cable, now this side of the cable, this very side here is called the coaxial cable. You can see, look at the coaxial cable. This side of the cable is called the coaxial cable. Though I've done connection already because I've connected a BNC connector. Here is actually a video cable. So this one goes to this side of the camera. Don't worry, I will show you guys in detail when I want to start the camera installation. You can see, right? So here is a connector. These connectors here, I've already connected one right here to the camera, then to the extension cable. So as I said, this very side of this cable here, this is actually a double cable. This side is called the coaxial cable, while this other side here is called the power cable. This one is what supplies power into your camera. Look at. Also, I've actually connected a connector right here. This red connector is what I connected from here to the power extension cable. Look at it here. So it's what brings light to the camera. You can see. So now the other side of the cable right now goes like this. One part, which is the power cable, goes into the power box. and this is how you connect it into the power box. You can see the connection. You can see that red goes to plus, black goes to minus. Look at, you can see. So you must do all this exactly so that you won't get your camera blown off. So you can see that the other end of the cable goes to this camera right here, while the other side of the cable, one part which is the power cable, goes to the power box, while the other part which is the coaxial cable, I will add, or you will add a connector right here, that is a video connector right here, and then plug it into the DVR. Right here is the DVR. So yes, DVR. So DVR is like a storage. Like the DVR contains the the hard drive that stores all the video footages that your camera has captured. Also, DVR, you can do a lot of things. You can connect your internet right here, and it does a lot of things. Don't worry, I'll show you guys when I start my tutorial the in-depth use of DVR. So this is how it looks from the front. You can see even now it's on. You can see. So this is actually a 4-channel DVR, which means that it can actually contain 4 cameras. One, two, three, 4. So it means that the maximum number of cameras I can plug here are 4 cameras. So you can see that this DVR also comes with charger to power it. Here's the look at the charger is on actually. So look at the cable, and you can see it's plugged to the extension. Also, same thing goes to the power box. The power box right here, here's the cable connected from here, then go right all the way to the extension right here. So you must power the both. You can see here are the basic component of them. So this DVR also comes with a mouse. You can see here's a mouse. If you're using your monitor or your television, you must get this mouse and plug to the USB cable here at the DVR so that you can do the basic settings. So right here is HDMI cable right here. Look at HDMI cable. You must plug into the DVR and then take it all the way and plug into your monitor or television. So your monitor or television also contains a HDMI port. You can plug it right there. But for me, here I'm using my laptop. You can also use your laptop to see your video camera footage or to capture your video. So for me, I'm using my laptop. But for you, you can use your TV or monitor and do this. Look. So guys, here are the basic components of security camera installation, otherwise called CCTV.